Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Cruze LS. This Cruze only has 10,491 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, solar absorbing glass, and 15-inch steel wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this Cruze, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. We have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, your button to turn your auto stop start on and off, and your traction control button right there. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.